Hello, I'm from KeenTools, and we show our new technology, which is about 3D facial reconstruction. So we take some pictures, photos, just normal photos, even from smartphone, without any depth information or markers or whatever. And then we have the API or SDK. You can send your photos in there and then receive a 3D model back. And this 3D model can be in any topology. You can use our topology. We can send it in your preferred topology, be it MetaHuman, Character Creator, or something really custom. And yeah, we also ship texture for this 3D model, and I perhaps can show you how it works with our friend. So this is just normal smartphone with a dirty lens, now with a clean lens, and just neutral face, stare somewhere there. I will run around here. Yes. So straight one, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and another one. One more. And that's it. And now I will just upload them to our web application. It's just like this, and adding pictures, and push this. Yeah. Now it's processing. It's like it takes like 2 minutes or a couple of minutes now, and yeah, we will see it here. So yeah, and now it takes like, yeah, a little bit longer than it should be because it's not really optimized for production, and it's just demo. But while we're waiting for this head to be built, maybe we can see some other heads, like for example, I don't know, this one of our visitors today. So this is how it looks. We currently focus only on the face because our history, of our company is that we came from VFX, where people used our products for facial tracking and for facial reconstruction, and they needed control and quality because in cinema, when they're shooting films and making effects for films, they deal with very difficult cases where, for example, it's raining, cats and dogs, and they still need to track someone's face. So they like predictability and control. And yeah, our solutions were kind of de facto the standard for facial tracking in movies. So in any Hollywood movie, there's somewhere our tools being used nowadays. And now this is like the automatic solution for other applications which doesn't require any user input except photographs. So you will have something like this. And this is how this head looks in 3D, being textured. We also don't produce hair now, but it's like in the works, as well as the head back, which is now being basically estimated. And maybe this head is already almost. So obviously it works with any faces. Maybe we'll have some diversity here with, yeah, for example, this guy was particularly good. Okay, something wrong with the internet now. Okay, maybe check this one again. No, well, okay, basically that's it. I don't know. So yeah, you can. I assume there are some viewers online, right? Yeah, so you can copy this link, keentools.io/fbx. We have a form in there. You can leave your email, describe your project where you would like to use this technology maybe, and then we can send you the link to this website. You can upload your pictures, test it yourself, and then yeah, we'll be in touch and talk about possible collaboration. Thank you.